Welcome back to my channel Damodar Talks Part 2 of The Speed of Light from Mahabharata. Last time we stopped at the calculation of time from Markandeya Purana at the Anure. The atom time, the time taken for atom to revolve around each other is given in the Markandeya Purana. This itself shows that there is lot of science impregnated in the time calculation which goes around the atom and many other things. Near future we may find many more things in the Puranas so that be open to such revelations from many epics of ancient India. We are not aware of the atom till recent classical era, but our rishis are aware of the atom and many other things of time calculation. Here the Anukala is given along with two Paramanus, and one Anukala is equal to 3 Anus, and 3 Anus is equal to 1 Trasarenu, and 100 Thrutus is equal to 1 Veda, 3 Vedas is equal to 1 Lava, and 3 Lava is equal to 1 Nimisha, and 3 Nimishas is equal to 1 Kshana, and the calculation of day goes on like that. Ultimately they come across the calculation 1 Nimisha is equal to 16 by 75th second. So half Nimisha is equal to 8 by 75th part of a second. So with that we start calculating backwards with the time. Now we got the time, half Nimisha time we got it. In the Surya Ratham calculation we get that 2202 yojanas were traversed in half Nimisha, which is a minute calculation. So that minute calculation should be taken around, and we should calculate that the yojanas also. In that it is given 2202 yojanas, but there are a lot of different calculations in yojana calculation. The first yojana calculation was given as 7 miles, somewhere it is 9 miles, but as the Markandeya Purana is written in the land of Telangana, we should search the yojana calculation also in the Telangana land. Here we get in the Buddha's Lalita Vistara and other books of Bhagavata that the yojana is given as 9.1 miles as an yojana. This 91 by 11 calculation is ultimately coming out of yojana corresponding to English miles, which comes to the calculation that 1,87,670 miles per second. The modern calculation is 299,805 kilometers per second. That comes around 186,295 miles. which is very near, less than 1% plus or minus. You see who are accurate now. With this, we end the part 2 of the speed of light from Mahabharata. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching, and thanks a lot for people who have already seen it, which is shown in my uh, links. Thank you very much.